If you are writing GATE MT 2025 exam, then this video is for you. Because a lot of students have doubt, sir, you have taught engineering mathematics course, which is common to all branch. So how will I know which chapters I have to study, which chapters I have to leave? Moreover, which topics I should leave as per my official syllabus? Do not worry, everything would be covered in the today's video. Just watch till the end. First of all, on Shrenik Jain Study Simplified app, you will get two courses. One course is in Hindi, other is in English. In English, everything is taught in English, whereas in Hindi, मैं बातें हिंदी में करूँगा, पर जो slides रहेगी वो English में रहेगी. What about the content? Content remains the same on both the courses. So basically, I have taught 8 chapters in total: linear algebra, calculus, probability, differential equation, vector calculus, complex variable, numerical method, and transform theory. But do not worry, you do not have to study everything. Why? Because as per your official syllabus, IIT Roorkee 2025, Metallurgical Engineering, you do not have all the chapters. First chapter is linear algebra. So every lecture from the linear algebra folder you have to study. And if you have doubts such as, but sir, in this lecture series, you have taught some topics. Let me refresh it. You have taught some topics like inverse of the matrix, and then determinant, and then rank of the matrix, which I cannot see in my syllabus. Then can I omit it? No. See, matrices and determinant. So determinant is there. Matrices means basics of matrices, operation on matrices, and that inverse and adjoint, all those concepts are needed to solve the eigenvalues and eigenvectors question. That rank of matrix concept is needed to solve the solution of system question. So indirectly, everything you have to study. So when I say you have to study everything, every lecture from the folder, it means no lecture can be skipped. Okay, and no questions asked, because in the previous year papers also we have seen questions asked from those topics. Going to the next chapter, calculus. Again, everything you have to study from the calculus folder. Nothing can be skipped. And you might have doubt, but sir, in calculus you have taught limits, continuity, differentiability, Taylor series, derivatives, maxima, minima, but integration and all these things are not there in my syllabus. See, there is no integration at all. Agreed, you do not have integration, but integration is needed in the vector calculus, integration is needed in the probability. See carefully, integration, single, double, triple are needed in the vector calculus. Then if you do not know how to solve the integration, how you will get the concepts of vector calculus then? So indirectly you have to study, you got no choice. Moreover, you will argue again that what about the sequence and series and all these topics? Sequence and series is a part of aptitude. Okay, so it is taught there. Test for convergence, PYQs I have done in the practice courses. Very simple formulas you can apply and you can get the answer. Okay, Fourier series and this Laplace transform are part of transform theory chapter. So if you go to the folder and see the transform theory folder, you will get your topics of Laplace transform and Fourier series. Okay, so transform theory, lectures, and you can see Laplace transform and Fourier series. So here you will get those topics. It is not present in the calculus folder because it is the part of transform theory. I hope you understood this part, that linear algebra complete you have to study, calculus complete you have to study, then transform theory complete you have to study. And about this topics also I have told you, aptitude practice course I have covered. And then vector calculus, this is the 4th chapter, complete you have to study, you got no choice. Differential equation complete you have to study. Probability and statistics, please make a note. I know that you will get confused here. So let me show you by opening the folder of probability, going to the lectures, basics of probability you have to study. Okay, then this is statistics, this is random variable, this is probability distribution. So let me go up till there. Basics of probability, yes. Random variables, yes. Probability distribution, yes. Statistics, yes. And what about the other lectures? You have all the lectures. See carefully, this linear least square method is nothing but linear regression, which is nothing but correlation and regression. So 11, 12, 13 lecture you have to watch. What about the sampling distribution of sample means, hypothesis testing, ZNT test, chi-square test? This is also there because analysis of experimental data means those topics indirectly. So I hope you got the idea. Probability and statistics, each and every lecture you have to watch, nothing can be skipped. And comes the 7th chapter, numerical method, everything you have to watch, nothing can be skipped. The only skip is there in this chapter. Complex variable, complete chapter is omit for you. So if you go to my course, you will see complex variable folder. You do not have to watch that complex variable folder. 9 lectures were there. That is the concession you are getting. You do not have to watch that. Otherwise, the conclusion is, apart from complex variable, every folder, every lecture you have to watch. So I hope you understood your syllabus. Thank you for watching this video.